US Senate has voted to confirm Ketanji Brown Jackson to the US Supreme Court, becoming the first black woman to serve on the highest court of the land. Jackson has previously worked as a federal court judge. She'll replace Stephen Breyer, who was appointed to the court almost 30 years ago. Republicans have criticised Jackson for her advocacy and her record as a criminal defense attorney, but former President Barack Obama says she will inspire young black women. Her confirmation has not changed the court's current conservative majority. I want to bring in now Julie Norman, who is the Deputy Director of University College London's Centre on US Politics. Welcome, Julie. Good to have you with us on what is a day of history for the United States. Talk us through what this means for the country.
Well, this certainly is a historic day with the confirmation today of Justice Jackson. She will be the first black woman to sit on the court in its 200-year history, and also just the third African-American to sit on the court as well. So a very big moment for the U.S., and a big moment for the court in terms of just having a more diverse body. We've seen the court getting more diverse over the past several decades, but having a black woman is definitely a big step. And it's a big step for Biden and Democrats also. This was one of Biden's campaign promises to ensure that a black woman sat on the Supreme Court. And so we will see this coming to pass this year.
Let's be honest, she faced some contentious hearings to get here. Was the confirmation vote a smoother process?
Well, the confirmation vote itself has actually been bipartisan. There were 3 Republican senators who did vote with Democrats to pass the confirmation. But as you noted, the process up until now has been somewhat contentious. The hearings that took place leading up to this confirmation several weeks ago tend to be very partisan. This has been the case for our last several nominations to the court, and this one was no exception. Normally, we expect hard questions regarding judicial philosophy and stances on some key issues. But what we also saw this time was some senators really using it as an opportunity to grandstand, if you will, to get some sound bites that would, get them some points with their own demographics and with their own voters regarding some of the more culture war issues in the United States that are not quite as central to what a justice would really be needing to comment on. So Justice Jackson handled those with